Hello guys, today we'll be changing this rear stop lamp, tail lamp, call it as you want, on the Mercedes S-Class W220. This one is bad, pretty much. Got this scratch here. It's cracked all over the place, believe me. See, it's got a hole in here, it's crack there. Pretty much water is getting all the way in here, so this one must be changed. Then we have a new one. As you can see, it's the same one. So this one is pretty much perfect. Also have some small scratches, but no cracks, no water leaks or something like that. So we'll be changing this one to this one. We will not be upgrading to the newer model of tail lights from year 2003. We'll be holding this old style. This car is year 2001. Okay, so what first you need to do is you must do these plastic clips. So all this in here must go out. First you get the floor carpet. There is a battery down. You pull it all over out and you get to the tail light here. So what you need to do here is pretty much simple. First you need to unplug this electrical connector, and after that you have 4 bolts, one here, one over there, one over here, and the 4th one is all over here. There it is. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will not be filming that because it's pretty much complicated to do this with one hand and hold this with the other. So that's it. I'll be unscrewing these bolts and the whole tail light will get out. We switch it with a new one, return the bolts, and that's about it, people. Okay, so I'm gonna go do that and we'll be seeing you in a second. Okay, here are the 4 bolts. In this case they are 8 millimeters, so I don't think on the other model it's other than 8. So there is 4 bolts, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 8 millimeters, and that's about it. Now you just slightly push it from the back and see the whole assembly is cracked here, so I can just easily pull it out. Okay, so what was the problem here? Just take a look what that small crack did. See how much filth and water and corrosion. Look what it did. Look at the new one, bright, shiny, and look at the old one. It's total disaster. This one, I don't know what was this. This was a fog lamp. It simply did not work. So this is going straight to trash. Okay, I will just pack the bulbs on the new one because I did not get the bulbs with the new one. And that's about it. We'll be putting the new one, put the bolts back, and that's it, folks. So guys, that's it. The new one is packed. All the bulbs are in the place now. I clean all the contacts from the rusty one old, and that's about it. Now we are just gonna put it back in here, just slide it, and that's it. This is gonna be a perfect match here. Just look at it, how it's gonna set here like new. Okay, that's it. So that's it, folks. The new lamp is fitted. So now we are returning these 4 bolts inside. Just put back the electrical connector, so all this could work at the end. And that's about it. See, it clicks. When you pull it out, you just press here and here on the sides and it just pop out. See? So that's the way to put it back in. And that's it. 4 bolts back. And that is it, guys. Job done. We'll be seeing how it works at the end. And voila. Just look at it, how it works, nice, bright and shiny. Hazards work, position lights work, brake light work, and these are the reverse lights. And that's it, folks, for this video. I hope it helped. It's not an hard job to be done, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Of course, if you like this video and think it was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about quite